Your birds don't need to touch to get sick. Good day to all my viewers out there. I welcome you back again to Organic Poultry Haven. Today I will be discussing on airborne diseases that wipe out poultry farms. Please do watch this video to the end. Like, comment and share. Newcastle disease, infectious bronchitis and avian influenza spread through air. Poor ventilation, overcrowding and stress increase outbreak. Vaccination, fresh air and proper spacing protect your flock. Healthy air equals healthy birds. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, comment and share. Stay blessed.